So anyway, what's up viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And I'm just hoping that each and every one of you is having a very peaceful and prosperous Sunday, etc. You understand what I mean, people? Make sure so the red rice them dip on fire. And who for red rice no dip on fire, make sure so them. Because you don't know how we do a thing in a Jamaica the real traditional way, you know? You don't know the red rice if you boil up with the chicken one side, or you don't know viewers and subscribers. So right now, we just are going all the vibes and I make you know what go on in the place, what go on overall, all of the latest news, them, etc. So make we just build our vibes and just make the place nice.
Make it place nice, with my tear size, make them get free.
Yes, so people, coming up in this video today, we have dancehall artist Valiant. Yeah, him answer all him critics them and also respond to the minister. Yeah, and what the minister state about him, people. Also, you have squash viewers and subscribers and Jman, yeah, in which Jman become a state witness against squash people. No doubt. So anyways, viewers and subscribers, we have Skeng. Yeah, you don't know Skeng hit the charts again, people. So you just stay tuned for all of that. But you know the drill go. Just like what Alkaline say when we bingo. Yeah, we are going to just jump in at the intro and come right back to the stories them. So no don't gonna way people soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Bone shaking and count and make the skull upset. No, done set. Back of the class, man, on a subject.
Yes, so now people, trending dancehall artist Valiant has lyrically responded to Minister with Responsibility for Information Robert Morgan after the latter, expressed concerns over the lyrics of some dancehall songs, etc. But anyways, people, Valiant in an Instagram reel posted on Saturday gave his fans, just a little opportunity to hear a part of his response. So anyway, in that response, basically, Valiant say, please don't judge me. Just left school and have no subject. Don't call me a done said. I'm a work in progress. He also continue to say, yo, I feel for just build a boat and run away. Nothing now go on to Jamaica, nothing now go on to the country, etc. But people, instead of me, they are telling you what go on. You just check out the clipping.
Don't judge me. Just left school and no subject. Don't call me no dumb set. I'm working progress. Still have come out on Sunday. People be like more than nothing about the country.
So when you hear that, people, tell me what you think down into the comment section. Make we discuss it. Share your thoughts, share your opinion. Tell me if you think say Valiant is right with the way I say, etc. And if you think the minister is right with the way I say, just share your thoughts and make we know what go on, people.
Back to the drawing board. I'm sorry right then. Cause we are do one thing. We're not really lean on nobody again. Or more while get the youth enough for just focus on the thing. People want to think are going to strength, not going to strength. Focus, believe in yourself. Cause more while people see your greatness and don't want you go past them, is it?
Yes, so people, in this other news, dancehall artist Skeng is the most streamed dancehall artist in Jamaica for 2022. Certified stream data shows. You understand what I mean, people? Skeng, Massacre, Squash, Chronic Lark, Craft God, Alkaline, Emily, Biker, Valiant and Intense are the most streamed dancehall artists in Jamaica for the year 2022, according to data gathered by certified stream viewers and subscribers. So now lies really look good for Skeng. And you don't know, yeah, the man put in the work and you don't know hard work of a PR. You understand what I mean? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, Lloyd Leng, the conceptualizer of certified stream, who is also director at Edge 105 FM, say he is not surprised at all the top 10s who have emerged from a pool of 572 professionally recognize Jamaican artist viewers and subscribers. So me nah lie, it really look good for the artists them overall. Massacre, and you don't know, young upcoming dancehall artist Valiant as well, we say viewers and subscribers. But you don't know, yes, Skeng just continue upon that trend there. You don't know, say at the end of the day, Skeng are putting in the work as well, me say before. And you don't know, there will be the hard work. There must be success, viewers and subscribers. Big up to Skeng, you don't know the whole thing. You understand what I mean? So people, you don't know the thing go. So now people, in other news, yeah, it has been rumored that Jman is now a state witness against squash people. Yeah, me know no hear good. So basically people, that means him gonna be a star witness for prosecution for Palm, squash, Fredman and whoever else. Meaning like, you know, the people them were in the car, were in the video with him, etc. But people, it has also been said that Musselman and Ford never even get to squeeze off a round, not a single round, people. And it was Fredman who squeezed it pan Jman viewers and subscribers. You understand that? So right there, so people, you know, say basically, yeah, you know, after that incident, some vibes must have gone between both of them, both Jman and Fredman, people. If you understand what I mean, I don't know if it is accidental or purposely, but right now, people, it seems as if Jman are going to hold him out. You understand what I mean? Or I don't know, because you know, say at the end of the day, you know how the American law enforcer them work, people. You know them work already. You understand what I mean? But anyways, people, let's discuss it. Share your opinions down into the comment section and let me know what you think about this situation. Also, people, me I go leave you with the video. Yeah, I want to check it out. Yeah, and also remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and remember to turn on the post notification. Yeah, put it on also that you can get all of the latest updates, people. Who don't know the thing, just like Alkaline say when we bingo, you know. So check out the video, viewers and subscribers.
So here we go on. We get a DM today, see? And let me just get into it, right? So the youth make me know say yo, him do a 9 to 5 job, see? And in girl I make him know say yo, you know say more do my body. And I must say alright then, I must say him save the money and give the girl to do her body. But I must say after the body done something, she a act up, right? And me I say to him say yo, me I try to keep it mutual and I say yo, what you do fit she a act up, like she can't just act up. So I must say yo, you know say honestly not really perfect, you see me I say, but at the end of the day, every time they get into a little argument, she want to leave and she pack her stuff and them little thing there, and it never used to happen before. So this is it. You see, the first thing him do wrong is you work a 9 to 5 job and you save all that money to give a woman to do her body. Wrong, bang. You understand what I say? Now the second thing, you see, when a woman do her body, brother, right? You see her confidence gone through the roof now. You understand what I say? Now she feel like say, yo, she now want different type of tax bracket. You see me? Alright. Here we go on. So now, previously, if a man on a bicycle used to look at her, a man with a walk foot, drive a Toyota, you see me? Now, I want different type of crowd she want their own. Now a man in the Bentley, the Ferrari, you know what I mean? The Lamborghini, I stop her foot. But here I go on. She just have to get fuck, use and duck. Facts. You see me? So what me want you to do is, I'm not tell if you left your woman, you know. You see me? This is just my opinion. What me want you to do is work hard, focus on yourself. You see me? Get to the bag, save your money, invest it. You see me? Level up. Fuck them gala and duck them gala and trash them gala. We call themselves Dolly and Barbie. Because them come to deceive and receive. Them not come to give. You hear that? Well, most of them. Man, I say all of them. 95% of them are 99, if not with the case. Because here go on. They say them when you out your pocket where you do a 9 to 5 with, you know. But you see, an artist, them not do that too. A millionaire. Them want a picture.